Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to find your Wix sitemap and submit it on Google. To do that, just go to your Wix site. As you can see here, I have my Wix site website created using Wix. To find your Wix sitemap, just type / and then sitemap.xml. Then press enter and this will be your Wix sitemap. We will send it in Google. Just highlight and select the URL, Control C or copy, and then go to Google Search Console. Here we will verify our ownership of the website. Go to Sitemaps and then enter here the sitemap URL, the one that we copied a while ago, and then click submit. And that's it guys. I hope that this video will help you a lot and continue following for more video tips. Thank you.